Hello, my name is Musa Mishamo. Welcome to the product demo of Rada Space, the product developed by Rada Cell 60 that is using satellite imagery and AI analytics for crop monitoring and forest monitoring. And today we are going to see the product demo of how to conduct weather forecasting. So I have several tools here on my dashboard, and if I want to conduct weather forecasting, I'm navigating to the tool called weather. Under weather, then I'm going to choose weather forecasting. So today I'm going to see the weather forecasting of my test field. This is my test field here. Then I select forecast. I can zoom and see how my field look. This is how my field look, and it has an average of 19.9 hectares. So I'm going to see the weather of this part of the field, particularly this part of the field. This is the localized weather data. So I have an option to look at the forecasting for the next 3 hours. So I can have my forecast after every 3 hours, or I can have the daily average forecasting. And there's an option here to look at my parameter of interest. Going to be temperature, humidity, pressure, wind speed, rainfall, or cloud cover. One of my interest parameter today is rainfall. I want to see what the right time to prepare the land, planting, planning for harvesting, spraying operation, or any other farming operation. So using the graph here, I click refresh my graph. So I'm going to see the weather data in the next 7 days. I can see today here is 0 millimeter, tomorrow the 6th of October is 0 millimeter again. The following day on 7th of October we're going to have 0.07 millimeter, on 8th 0.2 millimeter, and then the graph goes on like this. And that is going to be my weather data, my rainfall data in the next 7 days. So I can use this data to plan for harvesting, to plan for any other farming operation, if it's planting or another part of operation. I have an option to export my weather data. So I can export my weather data in Excel format and have the data of temperature, humidity, pressure, wind speed, rainfall, cloud cover, and I'm free to share this data with my colleagues or any field manager or another person who is working on my